Hi everybody, it's CJ. I want to thank you for watching today. I'm doing another spin bloom. I'm laying down my pillow, which is white from Color Place. I'm doing this spin bloom in greens and blues in the turquoise range. I'm starting with my black. I'm going to make 3 puddles on the canvas. This is a 14 by 14 inch canvas. Of exactly how much paint to put on each puddle. And I'm coming in with a metallic green. This is from Liquitex Basics. But you can't just pour it on there. Like other artists, you gotta drizzle it off the stick so it doesn't sink into the canvas. You want it to stay on the top of the pillow. Next, I'm putting some cobalt blue. This is from Golden. A bit of cadmium orange in, just a splash for some contrast with the blues and the greens. Green, also from Golden. This is light green, blue shade. Activator. We got to keep our fingers crossed that this works. I haven't seen any other artist using another cell activator besides Amsterdam white. Except for I did see a couple of artists doing their cell activator in black, and one noted that it was golden black. So I'm trying the golden turquoise, just hoping it will work like the Amsterdam white. Keeping my fingers crossed. Figure out exactly how much of the cell topper to put on. It's touch and go. Here goes. Enjoy.